So let me welcome you guys to the Wellness Training Academy. The Wellness Training Academy is going to be CEU classes in rooms such as this, and you're going to have beds, tables, aesthetic tables, laser treatment rooms, cryotherapy rooms, you name it. And you're going to learn all these type of procedures and treatments, so when you do work at a wonderful medi-spa such as this, you'll know what to do. There's a lot of times that you get hired at certain jobs and then you're a fish out of water. They throw you straight into the lion's den and you're stuck with your school training, which is nothing. It's barely scratching the surface. So when you're in a good spa or medi-spa such as this, you need to know what you're doing. You can actually be let go, fired. You could quit just because you're not up to par and everybody else's training is up to par and your clients are complaining. So this is a training academy that shows you how to do certain aesthetic treatments and massage treatments, especially medical massage. The medical massage training class is what everybody should get into sooner or later. More sooner than later though, because everybody has traumatizing or debilitating injuries and they need to heal properly. You can't just give them a basic or regular massage. You need to know what you're doing. So I'd like to welcome you. As you guys can see, this is one of our wonderful salt room treatment rooms. And so the salt is on the back wall, it's calming, soothing, sedating, and when you have classes in here, oh, let me tell you, oh, you're at home. Oh yeah, I'm talking about like heaven home. So I welcome you guys to come to the Training Academy. We're gonna have classes monthly, sometimes weekly, just depends on how much the classes are, the volume. And on my website, we'll have the prices, the class dates, the location, which is here, and this is in Northern Virginia. So if you are in the area, the DMV area, feel free to stop on by, or you can watch my videos that have the whole 360-degree video that shows you the whole room, where you're going to be training, how you're going to be training, what the certificates look like, what can I use a certificate for. There will be, you know, a Q&A or frequently asked questions section, so you can feel free to read that, or please give me a call at any time. My number is posted down at the bottom somewhere. I'm going to put it somewhere on the left or right or in the air. Just feel free to give me a call and let me show you around. Here we are, we're in the dressing room, and all the dressing rooms are unisex. The dressing rooms, they're for everybody. You just have to make sure that the sign says occupied or unoccupied, male, female, whatever it is. But anybody, and we make sure here that everybody is safe. There's security everywhere. There's cameras. There's law enforcement, police station right down the street, fire department. We're good to go. Airport is right down the street. Dulles Airport, Dulles International Airport. That airport, if you want to fly in, it's literally right there. Hotels everywhere, Airbnbs. Come on, it's right here. You can't beat it. So this bathroom, as you can see, has a waiting bench. You can wait for, you know, your bridal party or the groomsmen. They're all sitting here, jaw jacking about God knows what, you know, about, you know, their best memories of the old days when they were single. Those days are over. You're about to get married. So they're sitting here yapping, you know, running their holes. You look around, it's all beauty. It's greatness. We have 2 showers, so no one has to really wait. And there's another changing room as well. This is just the ground floor. So let me show you guys. Fresh towels, robes, shower. Oh yeah, look at this. It's wonderful. Yeah. Oh yeah. Good stuff. And you can use the mini shower to get all in those hard to reach places, those hard nooks and crannies. You can take this off and scrub all up in there, scrub all up in between. You know, that's how you do and get really fresh. Shower gel, shampoo, only the best stuff. You know, I'll make sure this is off. There we go. Okay. Let's close that. Rubber mats, they clean them all the time so nobody slips on the floor. You come on down, you have your own private locks. You put in your numbers, press open or key, it opens up, or pound for help, and somebody will come and help you. Or you can just find somebody. And so you can have all your personal items secure and safe. You have extra bigger bathrobes in here. We haven't filled them up just yet, but those are extra large, 4X. Come on. Thai massage garments. Oh yeah, nice clean clothes, so where you can wear them and be stretched out when you're getting a Thai massage and feel really loose and great, because the clothes allow you to flexibility, like the flex. No tight shower shoes or your slippers. Men's, actually, you know, I take that back. This is the men's locker room, but females can use this room as well. We have to just make sure who's in which rooms. I think the female side is on the opposite side, and the male side is on this side. But you have different sizes, 10, 8.5, 12. I will be right here, 11.5. I will be wearing these. But for people who are 12 and higher, 12 to 14, or if you have a smaller foot, 8 to 9s, you're good to go right there. So again, another shower, so nobody has to wait. Oh, holy crap. Listerine, look at that. Look, see, sometimes, you know, sometimes you just have to be minty fresh because your breath is funky. You can come in here and tell them to gargle. We're gonna go through all this in the Wellness Training Academy. Look at this. Oh, crap. Just get a little bit. Get my gum, because I already have fresh breath. My gum, my breath game is always wonderful. Well, not in the morning. Damn, swallow some of it. Yeah, I can't even gargle right. Good grief. When you rinse, you can use the same cup. It's strong. Oh. Get my gum back in there. Paper towels. Man. Wipe your chin area, get the dribble, and you're good to go. You're ready for a massage. Now we have hair products, also a hair dryer, blower, combs, and they keep it clean. Okay. We're going to show you how to do your marketing, keep it in the bathroom so you can show people what other things are, okay? Put the slippers in when you're done. All right, so like I was saying, in the wet room treatments, remember, we're using this water, the water that you see right here, to actually wash the person's body first. And so when you wash the body first, you're cleansing, you're washing, just like a facial, we're cleansing the dead skin, and the murky, the impurities, anything crazy off the face. And so with this, going over the body, make sure when you're putting the hose back in, because your arms are kind of occupied, just raise the hose as high as you can, go over, then drop it down in. Because remember, if you drop that hose down, and it's tangled, it's a loud noise, and that can scare your client. So in the classes, we're going to teach you just etiquette, proper ways. What shoes should you be wearing on this type of floor? As you can see, there's plugs. What type of plugs? You see, those are waterproof caps. So the heater may not be, so we may have to get some plastic, and I'll teach you how to wrap those. Every time you put water on a plug, it doesn't automatically caught on fire, because it's a different type of plug. The fire department will have to come in, and your hoses, lines, everything. I'm going to show you how to set up this type of room, what you need to look out for. You can't just hire a regular plumber. No, no, no. You can for the groundwork, but then for special plugs, special electrician, you need to actually go through the state. It can cost you a fortune if you screw it up, because they're going to make you do it over and over and over again. I was here in the beginning. They made the owner here go through it about 4 to 5 times. That's thousands of dollars, because you have to hire different electricians, different plumbers. Not everything's the same. Just like our bodies, we're all different. So after all that in the class, we're going to go through the scrubbing part of the person. And this is just another table, just different shower head. See the heads, they're different. And one actually spits out faster than the other. Okay. This one's a little bit slower. pace, so somebody likes a nice waterfall type of feeling, you use this table. This one spits out really, really fast. It hits your body like a Vichy shower. And then you have another shower over there if they want to get clean. If you don't want us to clean you, we'll tell them to go take a shower. But this is by far the best room. I love the wet room treatment rooms. And the cleanup, you just simply lift, let the water bead off as far as you can, get in the middle. That's right. So I'm just lifting in the middle, that's all. And see how it's dry underneath a little bit. So you just lift up, let that water drain out. You're just gonna get a towel and wipe down. Sanitizer, you're gonna spray it down though. Disinfectant, barbicide, or you can use other sprays, Cavasol, anything that's medical grade that gets rid of any type of fungus or antifungal nonsense. So right here, we have the different types of sea salts, different type of Himalayan sea salts, salt, Baltic island salt, and all that good stuff, Hawaiian. Look at that picture right there. That is, yeah, Bora Bora. And they've been there, so they know. There's certain types of oils that you use, oils that they're not gonna sell you in the store. You can buy from here, because they go overseas. Overseas is always gonna be the best place to buy certain really healing, body healing stuff like Fiji. Fiji is awesome, I love Fiji. Fiji's expensive, but it's great. I love the spa bath salts and stuff like that. It's a liquid bath salt, amazing. Jesus. Oh man, puts me to sleep, you know? And for the sensitive people, we can even use baby powder, because, well, the reformed baby powder, not the old crap that causes cancer or anything like that, no talcum. No, this is good stuff. Look at all the herbs, the rose petal. You know, you have go-to cola. I'm not too sure what that is, but it's great on the skin, all this stuff. I mean, come on. You can't go wrong. It's all good stuff. Man, look at that. Red clay. Man, put you to sleep. So right here we have Chadar, the Chadar treatment. It comes on out, if I can get, oh, actually it's locked in, but release the hatch, the oil comes out. We're gonna go over that treatment in another segment, because I have to really show you, oh, that'll put anybody to sleep. The oil that goes in the hair, and I don't care if you're hair, bald, Sphinx, cat, I don't care what you are, you need it on your scalp. It is amazing. So now we're about to leave the wet room. Like I said, I love the wet room. It's awesome. And this is where you will receive your training. Okay, so here we are in the wet room. The wet room, I know it's loud, I know it's noisy. It's loud and noisy only because of the waterfall. The waterfall has to be on. So when you get into nice cooling water, it's not so cooling to where it shocks your body, but it brings your body temperature down. And so after that, you'll go into the bush scalp, which is right here. I'm gonna show you in a minute, and get nice and warm. And then you go right in here to the sauna and opens up those pores, so we're ready for our treatment. Chadar treatment, wet room treatment, salt scrubs, all that good stuff. So let me show you guys what you'll be learning for in the water. So see the pool, you can jump in, nice and slowly, it's good. Underneath. Ambiance. You sit right here, somebody will do your feet, or you can sit on the couch while somebody does reflexology on your feet. You put on your hat and everything for the sauna room or the sauna treatments. So right here. And then we have the sauna. Ooh. Come on in. Get some water or oil, just a little bit. Put a little bit on the stove. And the aromatherapy from this is amazing. It's awesome. And in here, the temperature is about 107 or 170. So we're gonna get out because it's hot. But you come in here and then you relax and they hook you up. Right. So in here, the bushka, we're gonna learn about this treatment later on. But let me give you guys a sneak preview. So the hole just covers, but your head will go right here. That goes down right there. And then this comes up. Like that. And then it's gonna come open. So the latch, just make sure it's back. And then open. And then you sit down inside. And this produces heat. So the heat in here that is produced is healthy heat. It's the heat that has herbs and spices and minerals like Himalayan salt, all the good stuff. So you sit in there, your head goes here, so you close it, and you're inside. And so your head is right here, and then you close the drawbridge, nice and slow, and there you go. So somebody's head will be right here. And the steam will cook the body in a good way. And then you're ready for the sauna room, which is a whole nother experience in itself.